Alright everyone, so I'm gonna end up doing the heater core on my 1999 Mazda Miata, and I'm gonna just do a little brief video on how to change out the heater core without taking out the whole dashboard. And I'm not really a car professional or anything. I get pretty much all my information from YouTube and online and research and stuff, so hopefully this video helps you out. And if it helps you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video, and let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start by taking off this first little panel underneath the dash frame. Let's take out this little one and give us a little more space looking underneath here. Looks like a couple screws right here and right here, so let's do that first. So with a screwdriver, unscrew the So it looks like, oh, there's little latches on here. It looks like you just take the bottom up, down, and slide it down. And it looks like it falls out. I don't know why this thing's so heavy. This thing's heavy as hell. There's this big metal bracket on here. What is that doing? That thing is super heavy. Alright, now I can see up over here easier. And I got my screwdriver. It's actually sitting there. I'm going to take out that first screw right there. Let's go back under here. I got that one screw out. So I got that screw out that was right here. Now the next screw is right there. Right there. So now I'm gonna get my little smaller screwdriver so I can at least get on the screw and back that one. Got the screwdriver on it. Twist that one out. Hopefully the screw doesn't fall and I don't lose it. Oh, it's loose. Got my finger on it. There we go. Alright. This light will help me film and show you. Let's see. Alright, so the next part, got that other little screw out that was right here. So, looks like the panel might just come right off now. Yep. The panel comes right off. Oh, looks like there's a couple little hooks in the back side of the panel that are holding little wiring harnesses on. So let's pull off those two little clip hooks, and there's a heater core. You can see it right there. So let's do that now. I'm gonna get a pair of pliers and squeeze the ends of the little clips and got that one, and one more. And oh no, almost got that one. Got that one. Popped right out. There we go. Now it looks like there's two screws, one right here and one right here, that undo these little clamp things. So I guess that's next. Let's pull both of those screws out and finish it off. That one's loose, and I already cracked this one loose. Okay, so now these little things spin. The little and clamps. Spread them apart, lift them up over that. There's one. Spread this one apart a little. And slide it up over this one. Got it. So there's more clamps just holding the pipes in place. So it looks like we're going to have to loosen those two little clamps to loosen up the pipes so that way we can slide them up. Let's loosen these. Oh, looks like you don't have to take them all the way out. Let's loosen them up, and pipes your slides get loose. I'll move these out the way again and try to put my hand around them. Get this little screw back up under there. Loosen that one up. Oh, that's loose. That's good. Let me crawl out of here real quick and look under the hood. I already have the lines disconnected under the hood. They've been disconnected when I bought the car like a week ago. Oh yeah, look. Pop these grommets out, it seems like. Okay, there's a little notch right there. I'll get a screwdriver in there and push that little notch in right there. That should break it loose. Grab that little flathead. Alright, looks like pretty self-explanatory. Come back when I'm done because I need an extra hand. Not real easy. Just like I said, just push on the little spot right there on the edge when it's in there, because that's what's holding it in. Push on the spot right here with a little flathead, and you can just pull it right out. I got lucky with that first one. The first one it's already kind of loose. I can wiggle these free a little bit. Now let's go underneath and look. See if I can wiggle them from underneath. Oh, pop right out. Sweet. It's a little O-ring in the end right there. No fluid, thank God. So that one popped right out. And this one hopefully will pop right out too. There's like a little plastic piece on the back side of it right here. It's probably, I'm gonna have to try to pull it this way and then push it in. I wonder if I can slide this out a little first now and then push the pipe out. That might be better. Pull the actual thing out, put my finger in here. Or actually, this little screwdriver might be better. The screwdriver in the hole. I can pull on the screwdriver and pull it out, son. Pull it out a little bit more. Alright. Now let's try. It's tight. I'm gonna switch hands. Hopefully my camera isn't flipping constantly. There we go. Got it. So that's gonna be a fun one to put back in. I guess I'll take the little clamps off so I don't lose them. I gotta remember which way they go and stuff. So it just goes on like that. And clamps on. And grab my little screwdriver again. Put it back in the hole. Pull, 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 pull. Wiggle. hitting these wires. Looks like it should be able to go. Bend the wires up a little. Hopefully it's not messing them up. Alright, keep on going. Come on. Man, this thing's pretty long. Got it. Just check it out. Can you believe it came out? Hell yeah. It's awesome. Alright. Okay. There we go. Let's go under the hood again real quick. And these things should probably come right out. I can change out the O-rings on there. Remember which one goes in which hole. Clean off the ends of these pipes, which also could have been leaking right there. So when I get the new one, I'll finish recording and put it back in. Okay, so got the new heater core. I got this one from AutoZone. Here's numbers and whatnot. But yeah, I got this from AutoZone, and it doesn't come with any of this padding around the edge and stuff. And I didn't really buy any padding or anything from AutoZone, so they might actually have some. But this is actually leftover stuff that I had at home. It was Velcro, actually. It's Velcro, but this is the soft side of the Velcro, so I'm just using that as the padding because it's pretty much the same thing. So I'm just going to stick that around the edges for now, just to help give it a little seal. And one other thing, this was from AutoZone. I think I paid like 80 bucks for it. And you need to buy this little O-ring kit that they have there too, because the O-rings that come with the heater core for the pipe, here, I'll show you one of them. They're too big. It is too hard to push this pipe in while you're under the dash. To push those two pipes together when you're up underneath there with that O-ring. So this O-ring here that I stuck on here is one out of this little case. They sell a little case with different sizes and stuff. When you open the case, this O-ring right here is the one that you got to stretch around the end of this pipe, and it fits in there nice still, as you can see. And you want to be able to do it with one hand up under the dash, so that's not all the way together. So when I push it just a little bit, bam, it's all the way together. Because if you're trying to push this one on under the dash, it's not going to work. That's the one that came with the pipe. It will not work. So this O-ring here, I think, is right there, that size. And that's the one that should work. And I'll let you know in the end when I have it all put together. I'm not going to show you me putting it back together because it takes longer to film and do it. So I just want to get it done and just put it all back together the same way as I showed you how to pull it out. And that's it. Alright, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you later. I just finished it all up, put it all back in, and it's definitely much easier with those size O-rings, and I don't see any leaks. I've filled it back up with some antifreeze. It's all good. Heater works good, blows good, nice and hot. Temperature's up. Alright, there's no leaks. I already put everything back together, so you can't really see anything. But yeah, let's see. There's the hoses, got all back in, little grommets. There are new hoses and new clamps. So, oh, Yeah, I busted off my freaking little pulley thing for my oil, so that sucks. I'm gonna buy a new little stick and broke off the end. Oh well, but works good. Alright, heater core is good, so there's no leaks, no nothing. It works good. The heater works real good. And I was going to tell you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if this helps you out. It's a good little short video. It tells you a simple way of pulling it out and the secret of the smaller O-rings, because those other O-rings are already hard to put in. Even with it out, I tried putting it out. You kind of have to really push hard to like squeeze them in there, and squeeze them probably even too much. So just get those other O-rings and it'll be easy for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.